Hey, hello, Rodrigo. Okay, let's see who's going to join us. Right now it's only you, Rodrigo, and Carlos. Good evening. How are you guys?
Hi,
How are you today?
it's good.
Nice, nice to
Good
hear
day.
that. Very good, very good. Okay, so far it's just Rodrigo and Carlos. Let's wait for everybody else. Maybe it's kind of late already.
Okay.
So have you been studying the the extra material I send you?
I'm not really.
No, you don't
No,
have time.
no.
Oh, sorry.
I'm trying tomorrow in the afternoon.
Good. That's good. That's good.
Sorry for that.
No, no, it's okay. I understand that you guys have other things to do. It's good. But
Okay,
as long as you can catch up, and then you can actually review the things that I send you. Okay.
okay.
Good. Welcome, Carla Cano. How are you? Just getting connected. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to begin and we're going to do a lot of things today. Um, Remember that on Thursday we finished this module, okay? So the next module, it would be Principiante 4, I think, yes?
Yes.
Good, good,
Yes.
good, good. Okay, so let's begin and let's see what we're going to do today, okay? Um, Let me just check if I have the video ready because I have a video ready here. Here it is. Where are you? Okay, let me check this out. Let me just make sure. Yes, this is it. Okay, I'm going to share it with you. Let me know when you see it, okay? Um, let's see. Here it is. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
good. So today we're going to be talking about questions with the past of be. Remember that the be is a different tense. I mean, it's a different verb because it actually you have three different auxiliary verbs. For example, is, are. Okay. So let's check out what this have to do. Okay. Pay attention, please.
Questions with the past of be. Were you born in the U.S.?
Yes, I was. No, I wasn't.
Was your brother born in 1984?
Yes, he was. No, he wasn't.
Were your parents born in Incheon?
Yes, they were. No, they weren't.
Where were you born?
I was born in Korea.
When was he born?
He was born in 1985.
What city were they born in?
They were born in Seoul.
Years. 1906. 1917.
Good evening, teacher.
And one. Form question with the past.
Wait, guys, were you listening to this?
No, teacher.
You didn't listen.
No muy
I
clear.
didn't.
Don't
I
hear
didn't
you
listen.
very strong. It's
Okay,
very
let me see if I can fix it. Let me see. Okay, we're going to start over. Tell me when it shows, okay? Tell me when you see it. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, let me start from the start. Here we go.
Hi everyone. In this class you'll learn how to ask and answer questions with the past of be.
Now can you listen?
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
good.
yes.
Okay, let's move on.
Additionally, you'll also learn how to express years.
Let's get started by analyzing the questions that you see on this chart.
Questions with the past of be. Were you born in the U.S.?
Yes, I was. No, I wasn't.
Was your brother born in 1984?
Yes, he was. No, he wasn't.
Were your parents born in Incheon?
Yes, they were. No, they weren't.
Where were you born?
I was born in Korea.
When was he born?
He was born in 1985.
What city were they born in?
They were born in Seoul.
Years. 1906. 1917. 1999. 2001.
To form questions with the past of be, we can follow this formula. WH word plus was or where plus subject plus complement. Let me point out that whenever we make yes or no questions, there won't be a WH word. Let's analyze a couple of examples. Were you born in the US? In this case, this is a yes or no question, so we don't add a WH word. The first thing we do is add the verb to be in the past, where. Next, we need to include the subject, you. Finally, we need to add the complement and a question mark at the end. Born in the US. To answer this type of question, we can answer positively by saying, yes, I was, or negatively by saying, no, I wasn't. Let's analyze one last example. Where were you born? In this case, this is a WH question, so we need to add a WH word. The first thing we need to do is to add a WH word. Next, we need to include the verb to be in the past, where. After that, we need to add the subject, you. Finally, we need to add a complement and a question mark. Born.
Now it's your turn to practice. I would like for you to practice making questions about place of origin and birthdays, similar to the examples on the chart. After you finish this activity, share your work in our discussion forum.
X.
Okay, let's focus on the exercise here. So the questions is, question with the past. Number one, it would be where were you born in the US? Yes, I was. Positive. For negative, no, I wasn't. Now, what we're going to do is that we're going to ask each other, for example, I'm going to give you an example. I'll see this. Where were you born? So I would say, I was born in San Miguel. And then we're going to make a positive answer and a negative answer. For example, I'll see this. Were you born in San Miguel? Yes, I was. And then we make a negative. So you say, I'll see this. Were you born in Santa Ana? No, I wasn't. Did you understand? Guys, did you understand what I said?
Yes,
Yes.
understand, teacher.
Good. So let's practice.
No, no, I
Let's.
have a question.
Okay. What is the
When you
question?
when you use were and was in the question.
No. Depending. Remember that was and where is different. For example, was is for third person, but it's not similar to simple future or to simple present. This goes like this. For first person is was. For second person is where, and for third person is was. Okay, let's do the exercise so it can be more clear. Okay, for example,
Okay.
listen up. This is the example. Um, Carlos Alvarado. Carlos,
Yes,
Carlos, where were you born?
I was born in San Salvador.
Very good. Now I'm going to make you the positive question. Okay, so Carlos, were you born in San Salvador?
Uh, yes, I was.
Very good. Now I'm going to ask you so you can answer negative. Okay. Okay, Carlos, were you born in La Union?
No, I wasn't.
Very good. Okay, got it. Now, Carlos, ask Daniel.
Daniel, where were you born?
Very good.
I was in San Salvador.
I was what? I was what? I was born. One more time.
I was born in San Salvador.
Very good. Carlos, do the positive question.
Daniel, were you born in the San Miguel?
No. The positive in San Salvador. Were you born in San Salvador?
Ah, okay. Daniel, were you born in the San Salvador?
No. Don't say in that. Just say in San Salvador. One more time, please.
Okay. Daniel, were you born in San Salvador?
There you go. Thank you.
Yes, I was.
Good. Now make the question
Okay.
in negative.
Okay, Daniel, were you born in San Miguel? No, I wasn't.
Very good. Nice. Daniel, ask Gamaliel.
Gamaliel, where are you born? In
Wait.
San Salvador.
No.
No.
Question number one is, where were you born?
Okay. Gamaliel, where were you born?
Very good.
I was born in San Salvador.
Very good. Now do the question for positive answer.
Me?
Yes, Daniel, do the question for positive answer.
Gamaliel, where?
Daniel,
Okay. Dale. Were you born?
what? The question for positive answer.
Were you born in the San Salvador? In San
No.
Salvador?
Yeah, okay, good.
Okay. Were you born in San Salvador?
Gamaliel?
Sorry, I don't hear he.
The question was, were you born in San Salvador?
Yes, I was.
Good. Now do the question for negative answer.
No, I wasn't.
Wait, no.
Daniel. Were you born in San Salvador?
For
Yes,
negative answer. Okay, you didn't understand me. Okay, let's go with who is next? Joanna. Ask Jose.
Okay. Jose, where was your where were you born?
Yes.
In
No. Question number one is where were you born? That's it.
okay.
I was born in San Salvador.
Good. Now do the question for positive answer.
Okay. Were you born in San Salvador?
Yes, I was.
Very good. Now do the question for negative answer.
Okay. Were you born in Santa Ana?
No, I wasn't.
Very good. Okay, nice. Let's continue. Let's see who's next. Eh, Rodrigo asks Carla Torrente.
Were you born in?
No.
No, oh, sorry,
Question
sorry.
number
Where
one.
Sorry. Where were you born?
I was born in Santa Ana City.
Good. Now do the question for positive answer.
Is were you born in the Santa Ana City? Oh.
Yes, I was.
Good. Now do the question for negative answer.
Were you born in the San Salvador?
In the no, not that.
Sorry, in San Salvador.
Yes.
No, I wasn't.
Very good. Carla, ask Carla.
Okay. Carla Cano, where were you born?
I was born in San Salvador.
Now do
Where
the answer.
okay. Were you born in the San Salvador?
Not that. One more time.
Okay. Uh, were you born in San Salvador?
Yes, I was.
Okay, now do the question for negative answer.
Okay. Were you born in Sonsonate?
No, I wasn't.
Very good. Okay, that was the first part. Let's go for the second part. Now, we're going to do questions for ourselves. Vamos a hacer preguntas, preguntándole a alguien de mí mismo. Okay, so listen. For example, you know that I'm from San Miguel, right? So I can ask Carla Cano, am I from San Miguel?
Yes, you.
You were.
Yes, you.
Yes, you were.
No.
No.
Yes,
Yes, you
you.
was
Yes, you are.
born.
Yes, you
Yes,
are.
you are
Okay.
was.
Wait. Carla Cano again. Carla
Okay.
Cano, am I from San Miguel?
Yes, you was.
No, one more time. Yes, you are. Come on. Don't
Oh,
forget.
sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
One more time. Am I from San Miguel?
Yes, you are.
Okay, now I'm going with the negative. Carla Cano, am I from Chalatenango?
No, you aren't.
Very good. There you go. That's what I want you to do. Okay. So,
Okay.
Carla Cano, do it with Rodrigo. Hey, the first thing that you need to do is tell him where you are from, and then as positive and negative. Okay, go.
The first question is,
No, question. You tell them. It's a statement.
okay. So,
Remember,
were you,
wait. Remember what I did. Carla Cano, I'm from San Miguel. And then make the question. Carla, am I from San Miguel? Yes, you are. Carla, am I from Chalatenango? No, you aren't. Like that, okay?
okay.
Go.
I was born in San Salvador.
Okay.
Rodrigo. Am I?
No. Was
I
I?
was.
No.
Was
What?
I? Was I born in San Salvador?
Yes, you are.
No. Yes, you were.
Yes, you were. Sorry.
Mm.
Yes, you
Now,
were.
now the negative.
Yes, you weren't.
No.
Okay.
The question. The question.
Ah,
Okay.
sorry, sorry.
Oh,
Rodrigo.
wait. Carla. The question
Sí.
was I born? Was I born in San Salvador? So he was going to say, yes, you were.
Okay. Rodrigo. Was I born in Santa Ana?
No, you weren't.
There you go. Very good. Very good. Okay, now, Rodrigo, do it with Joanna.
Okay. I born in San Salvador.
No.
No. I'm asked
No.
or no. I was born in San Salvador.
Very good. Now the question for positive.
Joanna, was I born in San Salvador?
Yes, you were.
Very good. Now do the question for negative.
I was born
No, 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 no,
in
no, 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 no.
was I born in Chalatenango?
Very good.
No, you weren't.
Very good. Okay. Now, Joanna, you do it with Carla Torrento.
Okay. Uh, I was born in San Salvador.
Good. Do the positive question.
Okay. Was I born in San Salvador?
No, no, there you are.
No, pay attention. One more time, Joanna. Can you tell me?
I was born in San Salvador.
Good. Do the positive question.
Was I born in San Salvador?
Ah, yes, yes, you are.
No.
No, yes, we are.
No.
You were.
What is we? ¿Qué significa we?
Ellos,
No. Nosotros.
So,
Nosotros.
Aprender los sujetos.
nosotros.
Hay que aprender los sujetos. Okay. Practice the subject. So, maybe you can check out the example. Joanna, can you ask me?
um,
From the start, the definition, please.
I was born in San Salvador.
Good.
Was I born in San Salvador?
Yes, you were.
Yes. Okay.
Negative, negative.
Was I born in La Unión?
No, you weren't. See, Carla?
Okay.
Now you got it?
Yes, we are. In
What?
no, we aren't.
Why you, ¿por qué dice we? Nunca dije we.
Is where? No.
Okay, let's move on to the next one and pay attention to this, okay? Now, we're going to do always positive and negative, but now we're going to do the interperson. Interperson. Check it out. For example, let's see. Well, who was the last practicing? Oh, Joanna. Joanna, where are you from, Joanna? No, wait. Where were you born? Sorry, my bad.
I was born in San Salvador.
Very good. So I would say, Carla Torrento, was Joanna born in San Salvador?
Yes, she was.
Very good. Now, Carla, was Joanna born in Cabañas?
No, she wasn't.
Very good. Did everybody understand this one?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. So it's third person. Okay, let's see. In third person, we're going to do it like this. Check it out. Rodrigo, you're going to ask Carla Cano about Gamaliel. So you need to ask Gamaliel. Okay, go, Rodrigo.
I where you born Gamaliel?
What? One more time?
Were you born Gamaliel?
No, one more time.
No. Where are you born, Gamaliel?
Come on, look.
No,
Pay
sorry.
attention.
Okay. Where were you born, Gamaliel?
Good.
I was in San Salvador.
What? Gamaliel, come on.
Sorry, I was born in San Salvador.
Good. Now you ask, who did I say? Carla. No. Joanna. Ask Joanna about Gamaliel. Go. Come on, guys. You're not paying attention. You're letting me down. No. Okay. Let's forget about this. Let's move on to the next one. Now we're going to go with something else. We're going to go with the last one. For example, what city were you born? We're going to practice this one. What city were you born? Everybody, what city were you born?
What
city
were you born?
And we need to include in at the end. What city were you born in?
What city were you born in?
Good. What city were you born in?
What city were you born in?
Good. For example, somebody asked me, hey, I see this. What city were you born in? So my answer is going to be, I was born in San Miguel. Got it? Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay, let's see. Carlos Alvarado, what city were you born in?
I were born in San Salvador.
What? No. Let me repeat
I were born.
No. Listen to the example. Pay attention. Alcides, where were you born? I was born in San Miguel.
Oh.
Okay, Carlos, where were you born?
I was born in San Salvador.
Good. Now ask Rodrigo. Carlos,
Rodrigo, where were you born?
Wait. The question is, what city were you born? What city were you born?
Rodrigo, what city were you born in?
In, yes.
I was born in San Salvador.
Good. Rodrigo asked Jose.
Jose, what city were you born in?
Jose.
Aló. Sí. Me cortó la. Where were you born?
What?
In San Salvador.
Wait. Who's asking? Who is asking?
I'm asking.
Okay, do the question, please, one more time.
Jose, what city were you born in?
Jose, can you listen to everybody? Can you listen to the questions? Okay, I think Jose is having problems. I don't know. Okay, let's do something. Okay, you guys have this material, right? You have this material. Do you have it? Do you have it at hand? ¿Tienen este material a la mano?
Yes.
Okay, so, or take a screenshot o tomen una captura de pantalla porque van a practicarlo en grupo, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Let me know when you get the screenshot.
Okay.
Okay, good. So let's move on out of this. Okay, so we're going to do the groupings. Two groups. There you go. Go to your groups and start practicing questions, yes, positive and negative. Go to your groups.
Somos cuatro.
Cuatro estamos.
Cuatro. Entonces, yo creo que si lo cambiamos, la primera pregunta, si diríamos were she born in the youth? En positivo, yes. Yes, she was.
In the no, the principal question is where you born?
Where were you born?
Where were you born?
I was born in San Salvador.
Okay. Were you born in the San Salvador?
No, siguen poniéndole D, no lleva D en eso, solo
Ah,
San
okay.
Salvador.
Were you born in San Salvador?
Yes, I was.
Were you born in the Chalatenango?
Otra vez D.
Ay. Were you born in Chalatenango?
No, I wasn't.
Okay. Was you...
Sí,
Sí, sí.
vale. Solo ahí en la
Sí, sí.
pregunta donde dice were you born in the, ahí dice US, vea.
Ajá.
Pero, por ejemplo, nosotros lo vamos a cambiar, pero si usted va a preguntar, si alguien va a preguntar por una tercera persona, tendría que ser was. Por ejemplo, was Joanna born in San Salvador? Ahí
Ajá.
contesta la persona, yes, she was, o no,
She
she
was.
wasn't. Ajá.
Ok.
Ah, sí,
Ajá,
tiene
sí.
razón. Cambia, ¿no? Sí, tiene razón.
Ujú.
No puede ser where
Cambiaría.
was.
Ajá, porque
Sí.
está,
Ajá,
no,
tiene razón.
no podría ser
Esta es
where
tercera.
Joanna. Ajá. Ajá.
Es was Joanna born. Sí. Gracias por corregirme.
Ok, si
Ok.
quieren, inician ustedes dos y después le damos nosotros con José.
Bien.
Ok.
Joanna, were you born in San Salvador?
Yes, I was.
Was was your brother born in 98?
Okay, everybody's back. Okay, um let me explain a little bit more because I see that some of you are a little bit confused or you maybe you didn't understand, but it is quite difficult because be in the past is very different. For example, in the present you say I am, I am, I am a teacher. You are, you are a student. He is third person. He is a student. She is a student. In plural, in the simple present, you are, ustedes son. You are students. Or they are students. Ellos son estudiantes. That is the simple present. But in the simple past, the verb be changes totally. For example, look, for first person, which is me, is I was. I was a student 10 years ago. I was a student 10 years ago. First person. Now, second person, you were. You were a student 10 years ago. Okay, that's second person. You were a student 10 years ago. Now, third person singular. He was a student 10 years ago. She was a student 10 years ago. Now, plurals, they were students 10 years ago. So do you see the difference? In simple present, I am, you are, he is, she is, they are. But in simple past, be is different. I was, you were, she was, he was, they were. Got it? Do you guys understand now?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, so that's why it's kind of difficult because it's not the same as other tenses. It's different from simple present, from simple past, and from simple future. That's why it's kind of difficult to understand because in first person is I was, you were, she was, he was, they were. Okay,
We were, teacher.
we were, yes, we were. So that's why we need to practice more. We need to practice more. Okay, so right now I still have time to do a little bit more. I'm going to show you the next thing, but we haven't passed over the simple past. Let's check that out. Let me know when you see it, okay? Okay, can you see this screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to go always with the simple past, but this time we're going to listen to negative contractions. And let's see, pay attention.
Hi everyone, in this class you'll learn to sound natural when expressing contractions. Let's get started by analyzing the contractions on this chart.
Aren't, weren't, don't, can't.
2 syllables. Isn't, wasn't, doesn't, didn't.
They didn't eat dinner because they weren't hungry.
I don't like coffee, and she doesn't like tea.
These aren't their swimsuits. They can't swim.
He wasn't here yesterday, and he isn't here today.
A quick tip to follow when expressing contractions is to extend the N. For example, I can't. They weren't.
Now it's your turn to practice. I would like for you to listen and repeat the contractions until you feel comfortable pronouncing them.
Okay, as you can see, that was actually using contractions in the simple past, okay? For example, we were saying weren't, wasn't, and weren't. Okay, that was the same thing. Okay, now I need to show you one of the presentations that I created for you guys. Let's see. Let me check if it is ready. Mhm. Okay, here we go. Let me know when you see it, okay? There it is. Okay, can everybody see?
Yes, teacher.
Good. So in this case, we were talking about simple past statements yesterday. Remember we were doing that? And do you remember what does it mean, statements? What does a statement means?
Aseveraciones.
Very good, very good. And we have negative statements and we also have positive statements, you know? For example, I can say, Alcides Hernandez is an English teacher. That's a positive statement. Or I can say, Alcides Hernandez is not an English teacher, so that is negative statements. So we have both negatives and positives, okay? So let's see what we have to roll for today. Okay, check out this, the practice introduction of the topic. Listen to this. Hi, Camila, nice to see you this evening. Time flies. Can you believe this is our last week in this class? Hello, Elizabeth, nice seeing you too. Yeah, unbelievable. We are finishing this model this week. Are you going to continue? Yeah, that is my plan, to continue with the next model to learn more English. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Yes, I know. We're going to learn to successfully identify, discuss, and talk about the simple past statements. Okay, because of the time, I'm going to do only one practice. Let's see who's going to practice. Jose and Gamaliel. Jose, you start.
Hi Camila, nice to see you this evening.
Evening.
Evening. Time fly.
Flies.
Can you believe this is our last week this class?
Hello. Hello, Elizabeth. Nice seeing you too. Yeah, unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Yes,
Yes.
unbelievable. We are finishing this model this week. Are you going to continue?
Yeah, that is my plan to continue with the next module to learn more English. Do you know what we are going to learn today?
Yes, I know. We are going to learn to successfully identify, discuss, and talk about the simple past statement.
Very good. Thank you very much. Let's move on. Okay, what is happening? Doesn't want to continue. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay. What happened? Oh man, it got stuck. Okay, let me do it from here. Okay. Let me go get it here. This is P3. Contractions. Here it is. Okay, let's see this. This is what we're going to do. Good. Can everybody see it? Can you guys see it?
No yet.
No, teacher.
No.
Okay, let me check the sound. Here it is. I got it. Now, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Past tense
Yes.
contraction. Okay, this is are going to be the contractions. Okay. Wait. Let me just take this out. Okay, there we go. Okay, who can read this? I need somebody to read this. Wait, here. Nobody? Come on, you cannot read.
Yes.
A contraction.
Yes.
A contraction is short version of
written
or spoken, written or spoken part of a word. Contractions are maybe
by
combining two separate words.
Yes.
Contractions are used a lot.
Contractions are used.
Contractions are used a lot in spoken English and when writing, sometimes informal like a message or email to a friend. However, you should not use a contraction in formal writing like a school
essay,
a contract, or business report.
Good. So this means that what it's saying is that contractions are only when we speak, not when we write, okay? Any questions here? No. Okay, let's move on. Next person, who wants to read? Anybody?
Can I?
Yes, you can. Thank you very much.
Okay. In this lesson, we will cover past tenses contractions. 1. For be verbs in the past sentence, in the past tense, we can only use contraction with negative sentences. This is very different from the present tense. Was not equal wasn't. We're not equal weren't. I wasn't tired yesterday. She wasn't angry with you. They weren't pretty. The dresses weren't cheap.
Very good, very good. Thank you very much. Okay, so in the past, the contractions are wasn't and weren't. Okay, let's move on. Okay, next, who wants to read?
Hi.
Go ahead.
You can end sentences with a negative contraction. Were you sick yesterday? No, I wasn't.
You sick yesterday?
Were they nice? No, they weren't.
No,
Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, as you can see, you can actually end negative contractions. So I wasn't, weren't. Okay, moving on. Next, who wants to read? Anybody?
Can I?
Yes, you may.
We can also change did not to didn't. I didn't eat the cake. She didn't came.
She didn't come.
They did. Sorry. She didn't come. They didn't want to go with us.
With us. They didn't want to go with us.
There are many contractions in the present tense, but there are not many in the past tense. We do not use contractions with question word and be verb in the past tense. Notice that we only use contractions with negative sentences in the past tense.
Very good. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. Okay, finish with that. Okay. Very good. Okay, you guys, so you were doing very nice. Okay, that was about it. We still talking about the simple past. So what I'm going to do for tomorrow is that we're going to have a little practice. You know, like I was saying the other day, by now you should manage, or you should master 4 tenses: present continuous, simple future, simple past, and simple present. So we're going to do another practice for tomorrow with the 4 tenses, okay? Good?
Okay.
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 But we're
Bye.
going to do it in first person and third person. We're going to do all of them. So we need to be more active. And please, you know, be attentive, be receptive, okay? So I'll see you tomorrow. You have a nice night. Oh, and today's lesson, I'm going to send it to your email later tonight, okay?
Okay, teacher, thanks.
Okay,
Thanks.
teacher.
Have a good night.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.